Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit folder on Telegram desktop. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Telegram has a feature that allows you to organize your chats into chat folders. If you're like me, someone who mutes most of the notification from messaging app, then there's a chance you might miss an important message. But with folders, you can at a glance scroll through the message from your most important contact. So on my previous video, I'll show you how to create folders on Telegram and manage it. So now what if you want to edit your folders on Telegram desktop? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Telegram. From here, you can just go to edit. You can select on edit in here. So in here you can edit your Telegram folders. Like maybe there's an unused folder, you can just delete it. Or maybe you want to create one. You want to create another uh like this folder. You can add chat or group to your folders. You can save. You can add chats to exclude. You can add the folder color, but you have to subscribe to Telegram Premium first before if you want to change the folder color. After that, you can just create it. And that is. You can select the tab view you want to on the left or at the top for the folders. It's very simple, right? So that is how to edit Telegram folders on Telegram desktop. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.